Stellar Lancing records what appear to be images from another dimension. In the beginning, she probably didn't realize that her ability to document such phenomena was a gift. She was simply trying to gather proof of what she was seeing. Flashing lights pierced the New Jersey skyline as her lens captured what might be the most extraordinary evidence of advanced technology ever documented. These weren't the usual blurry UFO photos, they were crystal-clear images of objects performing maneuvers that defied the laws of physics. These objects executed sharp right-angle turns at impossible speeds, their surfaces shimmering and bending light. There were no visible propulsion systems, and most chilling of all were the geometric patterns that pulsed with an otherworldly energy, visible only under specific wavelengths of light. But this sighting wasn't an isolated event. What happened next in the skies over Manhattan left even the most hardened skeptics questioning everything they thought they knew about our place in the universe. The Manhattan incident became a turning point in UFO research. Witnesses were frozen in disbelief as a metallic object hovered above the city, performing synchronized movements that no known aircraft could achieve. Then, something unprecedented occurred. The craft suddenly stopped midair, its surface beginning to pulse with strange symbols. A helicopter pilot with over 20,000 flight hours watched in awe as these UFOs executed perfect right-angle turns without losing speed, a maneuver that would tear any conventional aircraft apart. It wasn't just their movements that defied logic. The drone's surfaces bent light itself, creating a rippling effect that made them appear almost translucent. Most striking were the intricate patterns glowing on their undersides, which seemed to shift and pulse. Although not visible in video footage, these patterns were etched into the minds of witnesses, appearing in other sightings across New Jersey. Multiple witnesses pulled out their phones to record the phenomenon, but only one person had the right equipment at the right moment. This amateur photographer, whose identity remains protected, wasn't searching for aliens that night. He was simply taking long-exposure shots of the city skyline when the strange lights appeared. Using his high-end DSLR camera, he captured images that would turn the UFO research community upside down. These weren't the usual grainy, distant UFO photographs. The images were remarkably clear, revealing objects with no visible propulsion systems, no seams, and no signs of conventional engineering. The surface of the craft appeared to be made of a single, seamless material, constructed in a way that defied current manufacturing capabilities. Upon closer examination, experts noticed something even more intriguing, an electromagnetic field surrounding the objects, visible only under specific light conditions. This field added another layer of mystery to the already perplexing evidence. As news of the sighting spread, more witnesses came forward. A college student from Brooklyn captured video footage of one of the objects hovering silently over a local park before vanishing in a brilliant flash of light. A group of construction workers described watching the objects perform what they called a cosmic ballet, moving in perfect formation before splitting apart at impossible speeds. The Federal Aviation Administration's radar systems detected no conventional aircraft in the area during these sightings, yet air traffic controllers at New York Liberty International Airport reported unusual radar signatures that appeared and disappeared without warning. These anomalies coincided perfectly with the timing of the photographer's images, adding another layer of credibility to the evidence. Perhaps the most compelling testimony came from a quantum physics professor who happened to be among the witnesses. She noted that the object's movement patterns aligned with theoretical models of quantum propulsion, a technology that exists only in the realm of theoretical physics. She suggested that the craft's ability to manipulate space around them indicated a level of technological advancement centuries beyond our own. The photographs revealed another fascinating detail, a series of geometric patterns etched into the craft's surface. These weren't random designs but displayed mathematical properties linked to advanced theoretical physics equations. Some witnesses reported seeing these patterns pulse with energy just before the objects performed their most extraordinary maneuvers. The sightings over New Jersey and Manhattan are not isolated incidents. Similar phenomena have been reported across the globe, raising questions about the origin and purpose of these advanced technologies. Could this be the beginning of something much larger than we ever imagined? Are we on the cusp of an interstellar revelation? The way these crafts interacted with light and electromagnetic fields hints at a technology that could revolutionize our understanding of physics itself. A team of aerospace engineers from 3 leading universities discovered that the craft's outer shell absorbed radar waves completely, explaining why traditional detection systems failed to track them. Under ultraviolet light, the images revealed a complex network of energy pathways, similar to circuit boards but operating in 3 dimensions. The propulsion system, or rather, the lack thereof, presents another mystery. Traditional aircraft rely on thrust and lift, creating obvious signs of movement through the air. These craft, however, seemed to manipulate gravity itself. Security footage from a Manhattan high-rise caught one of the objects ascending vertically at 15,000 feet per minute with no sonic boom, no air displacement, and no heat signature. A classified report, recently made public through Freedom of Information requests, revealed that similar technology had been observed in 19 other incidents worldwide. However, none of those sightings captured the level of detail seen in the New Jersey photographs. The report mentioned gravity wave distortions and time manipulation signatures, terms that seemed like science fiction just decades ago. Perhaps most intriguing was the discovery of what scientists are calling quantum resonance patterns on the craft's surface. These patterns, visible only when multiple photographs were overlaid, displayed mathematical sequences aligning with advanced quantum field theories. A physicist from MIT noted that these sequences correspond to theoretical models of interdimensional travel. When the photographs first emerged, skeptics rushed to declare them elaborate hoaxes. That changed when 5 independent digital forensics labs using advanced authentication software confirmed their authenticity. These images hadn't just captured unknown objects, they recorded technology actively manipulating the space around them. Using cutting-edge quantum imaging techniques, experts discovered that the craft emitted patterns of light in frequencies beyond human vision, forming complex geometric shapes. The sightings over New Jersey and Manhattan challenge everything we know about technology, physics, and our place in the universe. These craft represent a quantum leap in engineering, their capabilities far exceeding anything humans can currently achieve. The question is no longer whether we are alone, but what we are witnessing, and what it means for our future. As similar sightings continue to emerge worldwide, one thing is clear: we are on the brink of an unprecedented era of discovery. Whether these visitors come in peace or harbor more ominous intentions, their presence forces us to confront the profound mysteries of existence and the untapped potential of human ingenuity. The skies may never look the same again. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.